All right, good morning. So it's Monday, 9:37. You're coming in here really quick. But I wanted to start out today with an ed puzzle and try it out on Monday since we don't have school tomorrow. Although, okay, so let's just try it. All right, so we got dilate points. Okay, so you can draw this in your notes. Maybe I can give you some graph paper. Okay, and we are going to plot the image of point A under a dilation about point P with a scale factor of 4. So it sounds more difficult than it is. What we want to do is know how far is point A away from, how far is point P away from point A? No. What we first want to know is what is the center? The center is point P. I know that because it's the black dot. Okay, so center. Okay, and how far is our pre-image away from the center? It's 2. Okay, so A prime is going to be 4 times that distance. So we have our center is P, and we have our pre-image is A, and the distance from P to A is 2. So our center, our image is going to be 4 times that distance in the same direction. So 4 times 2 is 8. So the distance from, this is the distance from P to A prime. All right, not the best table. But anyway, so we want to now go 8. So, and the 2 is 2 down, right? So now we're going to go 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A prime is right here. And again, because that's 8 down. So this is, okay, so we want to 2 down. And so now we got 8 down. And we multiplied it by 4. So I'm going to put that on here. Once I get my, oh, there it is. So we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check. Oh, all right. Okay, so this is a good one here. So now we want to know where's the center. The center is P, right? And so let's talk about the horizontal direction and the vertical direction that D is away from P. So our pre-image is how far to the right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 12 to the right. So our pre-image is 12 to the right. And then how far down is it? It's down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down. Down. Okay, so we're still gonna, our image is still gonna be right. It's still gonna be down, but we're gonna take those numbers and multiply it by the scale factor. Okay, so our scale factor is 1/3. So I'm gonna multiply 12 by 1/3. So 12 by 1/3 is 12 over 3, which is 4. So that means that in the image point, I'm going to only go 4 down. And then I'm going to multiply 9 by 1/3. So 9 times 1/3 is 9 over 3. And that is 3. So I'm going to start from the center. And I'm going to go 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna go 3 down, 1, 2, 3. And so this is where my point D prime would go. Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and it's right there. Ta-da! Okay, so let's write down the success criteria for that, since I know I just did a lot. So I can identify the center. I can identify the horizontal distance of pre-image from center. I can identify the vertical distance of pre-image from center. Then I can multiply those distances by the scale factor. I can move the new distances from the center to get the image. So this is dilations success criteria. Go ahead, pause the video and make sure that you have all these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do these same 5 things over and over. Okay, but the first one is just identifying the center. So it's really just the same 4 things. And one of the steps is multiplying. Hopefully this is sounding easier and easier. So let's look at this one is dilations. Actually, I'm going to come back to that one. I want to do some more dilations to show you, like even when you get to this, you might look at this and say, what is this, right? But it's going to be the same thing. We're just doing this. In the dilate triangles, we're doing these same success criteria with 3 points. It's like a whole bunch of practice, okay? Our scale factor is 1/2. Our center is P. Okay, I've identified my center and scale factor. So I guess I should put scale factor. Horizontal distance. Okay, so I'm going to go for my pre-images. All right, so I have A, B, and C. Okay, so let's start with A. What and we need the horizontal and the vertical, right? So I'm going to have 2 little tables. A prime, B prime, C prime, horizontal, vertical. Okay, so starting with the pre-image, what is the horizontal of A? So I'm going to start at the center and just count straight over. How far do I got to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got to go 8 to the right. Then I got to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Up. And that is not, that little sign shouldn't be there. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Now B. I got to go 1, 2 left. 2 left. And then I got to go 2 up. Always starting from the center. Now to C. How far to the right again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the right. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4, I went down. Wow, that was a lot of counting. Wasn't too bad. Now I'm going to multiply those numbers. So I did that. I'm going to multiply those distances by the same scale factor. They all get multiplied by 1/2. So multiplying by 1/2 is equal to dividing everything by 2. So I'm just going to divide everything by 2. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Oh, I don't want to forget my distances. Right, left, right, right, left, right. 4 by 2. So 4 up divided by 2 is 2 up. 2 up divided by 2 is 1 up. And 4 down divided by 2 is 2 down. So all that work, now it's just putting it in. So starting from the center, I'm going to go 4 right and 2 up. Starting here, 1, 2. Oh, I want this, actually, yeah, I want to take this A and I want to go 4 right and 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then I want to take B and I want to go back to the center and go 1 left and 1 up. And then C, I want to take that back to the center and go 2 right and 2 down. Ta-da! All right. So I hope that was good. All right. So now we can do as many of those as you want in class, but give it a try. Follow that success criteria. But I'm also going to show you this video, dilation scale factor. And this one, even though you're probably tired, did a lot of work now, but this one is a nice, easy one, okay? So the scale factor is a simple formula. It is the image side, take any image side, and divide it by the corresponding pre-image side. So when I look at this guy, okay, I got my pre-image right here, I got my image right here. So my image over the pre-image. So let's take this top side. We can just count 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And the pre-image is 1, 2, 3. So 6 over 3. And so 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the scale factor between these two triangles is 2. And that means that my image is twice as big as my pre-image. That was so fun. Okay. So now this one, I don't even see my second triangle, but it says, what is the length of C prime D prime? Well, what is the length of CD? The length of CD, right? Here's CD right here, and it's 1, 2, 3. So CD is 3. My scale factor is 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4 to get C prime D prime, which would be 12. So again, we're multiplying by the scale factor to get from the pre-image to the image. That was great. Okay, and you can try this one, similar thing. I'm just gonna, skip that, skip it. Yes, skip. And okay, and this one, again, pick a corresponding side, do image divided by pre-image. All right, you guys are gonna have so much fun. So I'm gonna stop right now so you can start.